Is he coming or no? Yeah, there it goes.
I think we gotta get a picture of up here. You can see them?
Yeah!
Honk your horn. Yeah. There.
Someone was talking.
Yeah.
I wouldn't get too close to that ledge. I ain't with that.
Oh, man.
Yeah, you're done, though. I was afraid. Whoa.
Right now, bro. This is crazy.
I was afraid when y'all were coming up that like someone was gonna like whiskey throttle and like
jump it off.
Yeet themselves.
I don't like it. It's not too bad. Just, I promise you, it's not that bad. It's not bad at all. There's no big rocks. It's all pretty level. Woo! Yeah. Woo! Is the name of the trail.
Alright, I don't know if it's any more sketchy spots like that or if that was the hardest spot. It wasn't a super big hill, but it was kind of just sketchy. Like if you do go off to the side, there's a consequence. Oh, this is another good little hill. Oh man, we made it. I don't know how that one looked on GoPro, but that was pretty crazy. Let's see the other people if they do it. Come on! Hey, it ain't bad! Here Tyler comes. Keep her moving, keep her moving. Uh-oh. Hold up. Oh shit. All right. It ain't bad. There's not much left. Cameron ain't going?
He's trying to once I get out of the way.
Just keep a little momentum. You don't need to go fast. All you need to do is keep a little momentum. You don't need to go fast like that.
I need help kicking my bike.
I can kick it.
I got the clutch if you want to.
Damn, this is a weird angle.
I'm going to take the battery.
You want me to ride it? Hop on. Follow this one. Just keep a little bit of speed. Tractor it up. Oh. Oh! You're spilling some gas. Let's get her up. Yeah, I went up that. I went up where you're going. You might have to go back a few feet and then hit it with some speed.
Damn.
Ah. I'll go try to help him. All right. Yeah. There you go. You can try to go this way if you want to. I went this way. I'll clear the stick. I mean, that might be easier. I don't know. I wouldn't do that. I don't know. I went right over this. My bike did surprisingly well.
You might be able to get this to the side, right?
I mean, I would go that way instead, but yeah.
Right.
Yeah, try this way.
That hill only looked half as big as it was.
We're to the top now. There you go.
At least you're over it. Yep.
That's it.
Ooh.
Yee-hoo! We might not. Hopefully that was the hardest part. We said that about the last part.
I know.
All right, let's see what else we got on this trail. It's put, ow. A little mud hole to make the wheels all slick. Love that. Dude, this is like, you can tell like people don't come to these trails. They're so unmanicured and can barely get through them. You have to like duck on through them. Woo! That's a drop. And me and Tyler are taking dual sports through this stuff right now. Oh. Whew. I bet you most people that hit these trails are not doing them on dual sports. I'll say that at least. Holy cow. We're just like riding along a ridge. What the heck? Oh my god. Wow. This is wild. It looks more like a deer trail than a dirt bike trail. Wow. Okay. What the hell? I didn't really look at the map to see how long this thing goes.
Not that long.
Okay, good.
Well, it might be long because we're usually going fast.
Yeah. Let's roll, baby. It's got to get wider than this in a little bit. Like, wow. What is that? Here we go. Looks like we're getting out of the shady abyss. Okay, whoa. What? What in the hell? Where are we? Where's the trail go?
I don't know.
I don't know if we're on the right path right here. I think this is it, maybe. Woo! We did in fact make it back onto the trail. I didn't see a sign, and those roads look just like service roads or something, so I was a little sketched out. But we made it back. I think we're pretty close to the truck because it's getting towards the end of the day. But that was a fun way to end off the trip. It's the last bit of daylight on the last day we're here. Woo! Woohoo! Woo! We made it out, baby. All right, where are we? This is Buffalo Mountain. That's a wrap on Buffalo Mountain and this trip. Thank you guys for watching. Check the links for the KLX mods, all that. Leave a like on the video. I'll see y'all in the next video.